Ha kawai ke jinja accident kawai ke kali I20 kabadan new number ML not san L Arpra line yo Kylla Khongpong sendan hapideng surok hasang bangla menta ke janmien hadien bo unongnya umla shu bantela kami ke kali batin ra abe yu divider hadu ba kete ke kali kala poi sendan shishiliang surok bat kala sendan hadu ba ke yit banakhmat jong kete ke kali kala pat sendan Hakatay ke jingjia ki don saungut Kiba Shong Hapoh katay ke kali kabadangwan ni kithan berni hat ban kiu shishilo bat Mynsaw Malu mala hakatay ke jingjia kat ba ke kali kala julor bon bat ke jingtok ket ki pulit halor ke ni ke jingjia kadang ya chikman uhe pulit ke ribhoi UVS rathor ulahiar hakatay ke jaka ban pay ya ke jinglong jingman hadien wa ulawan phai na thain berni han hadien ke jingtala si na phang ki kali bat ki trok ki bayang bian hasurok ba nadu berni han hadu joraban
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).